don't hit the header in the door. Second thing, set it deftly upon the windowsill. Come out here. See, Rob tacks his windows in place. Just a little temporary tack, That way we can go center it. You better be on the outside. You got to nail it. Get some nail. What are those crazy nails you use, man?
Roofing nails.
Roofing nails? Big heads.
Galvanized roofing nails.
Galvanized roofing nails.
Galvanized roofing nails.
Once we have it centered in the opening, we'll put a level on it. Windows have a lot of bows and aren't always perfectly straight, so sometimes you gotta kind of move things around. And this one actually is set pretty good, so we can set the two corners. You pry up just a, oh, that might have done it right there. That's pretty good, just know it's set. And this window has a big fixed panel up top, so we're probably not really going to be able to rack it too much, which is good because it's perfectly plumb right where it sits. So this was actually an easy one. On single hung windows, which are windows that go up and down, sometimes they'll have a bow on the sides. It'll either bow out or bow in. You can always move the sides in or out. Just put a level on it. This one bows out. Sometimes they'll all bow out or they'll all bow in. This one's got bows on both sides, so we're going to leave it just where it is. Window is now set. We'll just go and finish nailing her off, and then put some Fortiflash on the outside of the window, and we're done.
You gonna check the bottom?
Bottom's already done.
Feel good about that? Okay.
Oh, and we gotta do the windows. These things right here, when single hungs, you can see they flex up and down. So lower the window so it's up just a little bit, so you can see what that reveal is. And then that'll let you know if you gotta go up or down with this thing. And just test them to make sure they all work good and nail her off.
Perfect. All set.